So recently I was trying to find a Powerline Wi-Fi kit, and after doing my research I found out that TP-Link's products are really reliable. One of the reasons is that I had been using TP-Link's products previously as well. I had another model of the AV line and it was extremely reliable. So I found this product which it said, it's a hot seller item, and after looking into the details, it seemed to be the right product for installing Wi-Fi into each and every room if you require. And the best thing is that it supports dual speeds as well, 2.4 and 5 gigahertz bands, which most of the power lines don't. Normally they support the 2.4 gigahertz band, which gives more flexibility and it gives more coverage in terms of using other devices. So this TP-Link Wi-Fi kit also has Mimo with beamforming, and what that means is that it significantly improves performance in terms of output. And say for example, if you had devices connected to multiple devices connected to your Wi-Fi plug, and the priority, it would not only just give the priority to one of the devices, but it would also maintain a very stable connection so that the signal doesn't drop for that consistently consuming device. And then also it's got this Wi-Fi auto sync for a unified network, and which is quite good. So if you have a router and obviously the extender, so you can use the same name and it works very well. I've already tested it. So guys, these are the few things. It's quite easy to pair and the rest of it, but I'm just going to show you the box. So this is the box. It comes in this shiny sort of package. On the front you can see that there are two adapters. Both of them plug into the 220 wall socket, so you can just simply plug it in, and here it gives you a very easy sort of depiction of how you can connect your or what sort of topology you can apply in your home if you would want to install these plugs. So you can even buy extra plugs later on, and then you can plug them in and you can use them for your devices. So what I'll do is I'll start opening it up and I'll just show you what comes in the box, because this is just an unboxing. I've taken off the shell and it's got this really nice neat packaging, as like with most of the products nowadays. They're really packaged very well. So first of all, you get this leaflet, which I'll just put on the side, and then it comes with these two plugs, as you can see over here, and they are the size of my palm or of my hand, you can say. So both of them. So this one's slightly larger because it's got these Wi-Fi antennas, and this one is slightly smaller, but rest assured these are quite expensive AV plugs. They are similar to the price of a modem router. So let me just take that out. So that is one of the plugs. So on the top you have these three marks. You have the power mark, you have the home mark, and you have the Ethernet mark. So your router would be connected to this port, and over here you have the serial number and the details, and of course I can't show you guys that. And of course it comes with this 220 plug socket. You can just plug it in and it'll literally plug in like that with the TP-Link logo upwards, and it says 1300 megabits Mbps on the top. So on the side you have these perforated holes, so for ventilation, because obviously it's going to get heated up, so you just have to be careful not to cover these holes. And on the left side you have the pair button. So I'm assuming that once you connect it in, all you have to do is just press the pair button and it should automatically pair, right? So this is one of the plugs. Then you have the other plug, which is a bit bigger. It's the plug which will give most of your wireless connection. So this plug basically has a couple of lights on top. So it's got the power light, it's got the home light, which it says that it's connected to the AV line. Then it's got the Ethernet light. So these are the three ports. So you can connect 3 devices physically through the RJ45 jack, and then you have a Wi-Fi the light for the Wi-Fi, and you have another light which I'm not entirely sure what that is. So you have a Wi-Fi light. So on the left you have a pair button, an LED button, and a Wi-Fi button, and sides are perforated as like the other switch, and on the top you have a pinhole which is a reset button. So if things go wrong, you can always reset it. That is the main Powerline adapter, which you can plug anywhere in your home, and you can get things up and running, and it's pretty much plug and play, so you don't have to do anything. But ideally I would advise you to set up your own security and to change the password. So in the box you get a Wi-Fi info card, 2 Ethernet cables, RJ45 cables, and that is it. So that was the unboxing for the TP-Link AV1300 gigabit Powerline adapter. So guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section if you would want me to do any tests on this, and I could do a test and see what the speeds are in real. But overall, I've seen by experience that it really does its job, what it says. So guys, thanks for watching once again, and I'll catch you in my next video, and bye for now.